Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House channel. Today, I'm going to make Hello Kitty house with rainbow slide pool from cardboard.
Hi! Hello! I'm Melody. And Hello Kitty! We need a new house!
Okay. I saw my mother had some old cardboard boxes, so I cut them into 3 small cards. Put them together, like that. Put a few more panels to make the floor. Paste colored paper to create a full pink room. It's perfect. Now, I will make the headboard Hello Kitty. First, you need to sketch Hello Kitty. Next, you need to cut along the drawn line. Slowly and carefully. I will grind the cover to make the shape more clear. Put clay on that so you can easily shape the headboard. You just need to gently press along the edge of the cardboard. The way I make bows for Hello Kitty is also very simple. You can also rip her to follow. The eyes, the nose, and don't forget the ears. So cute! Now I will make a complete Hello Kitty bed. Do you know Hello Kitty born in the suburbs of London, England, on November 1st? Her height is 5 apples and her weight is 3 apples. She is good at baking cookies and loves her mama's homemade apple pie. She likes to play the piano and collect cute things, and her favorite subjects in school are English, music, and art. Hello Kitty is a bright and kind-hearted girl, very close to her twin sister, Mimi. Mimi's shy and very girly, interested in sewing and dreaming of marriage. While Hello Kitty wears a red bow on her left ear, Mimi wears a yellow one on her right. Their Papa George is dependable, humorous, but also absent-minded. Their Mama Mary is a good cook who loves doing housework. Grandpa Anthony likes to tell stories and Grandma Margaret likes sewing. In addition to family, Hello Kitty is also depicted with several animal friends, including the mice Joey and Judy, the bears Tippy and Thomas, the raccoon Tracy, and the squirrel Rory. There's an interesting little story that happened on Hello Kitty's birthday. Hello Kitty was very excited because the next day was her birthday. As Mama tucked her into bed, Hello Kitty thought about her birthday and how much fun it would be to celebrate with all of her friends. The next morning, Hello Kitty woke up bright and early in the kitchen. Mama was making a cake for her party. It was going to be vanilla with the banana cream in the middle and chocolate frosting on top. Hello Kitty asked Mama if she needed any help. Mama said she could help stir the butter and cocoa for the frosting. Don't forget to add the sugar. Minnie joined Mama and Hello Kitty in the kitchen to make cookies for the party. After the cookies came out of the oven and gold, Hello Kitty and Minnie decorated them with sprinkles and frosting. Hello Kitty looked at the list of things she needed to do before the guest arrived. She'd better get started. The party was supposed to begin in 2 hours. Make the goodie bags. Set the table with the happy birthday plates and napkins. Arrange the chairs for musical chairs.